That red brick building is a hospital where the first victim was diagnosed and died.
Breaking news, developing stories.
Doctors are reporting an uptick in the cases of severe lung disease, which they say could be caused by vaping.
In the current outbreak, more than 36 patients have died of vaping-related disease.
The majority of patients are between the ages of 18 and 34.
Vaping is the act of inhaling aerosolized liquid from a device, sometimes called a vape pen or an e-cigarette. The device is filled with vape liquid, which is heated, then aerosolized into millions of tiny droplets before being inhaled. These devices are made up of 5 main components and come in various forms and sizes. In light of the recent epidemic, many are questioning, what is in the e-liquid that is being atomized, and how is it affecting the lungs? There are 4 main components of e-liquid: water, a base made up of propylene glycol or vegetable glycerin, nicotine or THC, and lastly, flavoring and additives which vary with manufacturer.
Gaseous exchange, the key purpose of our respiratory system, is threatened by inhalation of any form of chemical, as seen with e-cigarette vaping-associated lung injury.
A chest X-ray or a CAT scan will show the damages inflicted upon the lungs after e-cigarette use. The CDC reported that e-cigarette use has increased by 48% amongst middle school age children and 78% amongst high school children, exposing the youth to higher rates of nicotine use and addiction. In the span of 2 months, CDC officials have reported over 1,400 related cases across 46 states, with the epidemic claiming 33 lives. The CDC reported vitamin E acetate as a possible inciting agent, though association was not sufficient enough to provide correlation.
As this epidemic continues to unfold, the recommendations include avoiding THC-containing vape products, avoiding the modification or addition of any substance to vaping products, and lastly, vaping should be avoided in general, particularly by adolescents, young adults, and women who are pregnant.